Welcome back. Now, another way to add individuals to this specific audience that you have set up is to set up a sign-up form that will reside on Mailchimp.com. You're going to see sign-up forms here on your left side menu. We're going to click on sign-up forms here. And then you're going to see that you can then create a form using the form builder. And to do that, we're going to click this button that says select. And what we're going to do from this screen is build a basic sign-up form. We're going to scroll down just a little bit and you'll be able to see in real time what your form is going to be while you are designing it. What you can see here is that this sign-up form will allow you to collect names and email addresses. Now you can give your subscribers a preference so that they can choose to receive either plain text or HTML emails. However, you can leave this unticked, which is unticked by default. Once we've done that, we can scroll down and we can start to build the basic form. Now, in most cases, what you're going to want to collect will be the email address, the first name, and last name. If you want to add in things like an address or phone number, you can add those things in. As you can see here, these things are going to be hidden by default. Now, for the sake of this video, we are going to leave these things hidden. What we can do here is we can write in a message so the individual will see a header when they encounter our sign-up form. That's going to take you to a WYSIWYG editor and you're going to write in what you want the header to be. And so you can use the editor as you see fit. Once we have the basic form, what we can do is we can design the form by clicking on this button. And if we want to add color to the form, if we want to add other aspects in terms of design, we can do that here. Once you complete your customization, you're then going to see your sign up form URL. You're then going to want to copy that URL and place it in your browser so that you can test it. You'll then be able to confirm that your form is working correctly. So it means then that you can then give individuals this URL in order to sign up for your email list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.